Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Mike Kölling. I'm the president of F&K Physiktechnik, a company based in Potsdam, Brandenburg. F&K Physiktechnik is a company highly focused on chip interconnection and microelectronics. We are specialized in ultrasonic systems for wire and die bonding in all fields in the production, manufacturing and testing of semiconductor chips. F&K Physiktechnik is already working with Japanese and Chinese companies in the semiconductor market. And we really hope to find a good partner in Korea to also go into this market successfully. 감사합니다. 안녕히 가십시오.